What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of KILLZONE Outdoors. So for today's episode, I'm going down to the Shakopee area to go fishing with my buddy Sam. He's been on a school of crappies on this Pacific lake down there. There's some pretty decent sized ones. So hopefully we can get on them and I can catch enough for a fish fry. So stay tuned for some of the action, guys.
I don't know. I don't want to reel it up too fast, so.
Yeah, really?
Keep it or throw it.
You want a fish fry? You're gonna
I do want a fish fry.
I think crappie is the best. We're Canon color good. Oh. Feels like a hog, but you get them in, it's like, oh, they fight good. It's a little one.
Nice one. There we go. Doesn't feel bad.
Nice one. Doesn't feel bad. Doubled up.
Oh yeah.
They're nice crappies. They're nice crappies. They're good eaters. Is this camera on over here?
Yeah.
Is it really?
Let's go, baby. There we go.
It's hard to tell because sometimes they'll open their mouth and just plow water the whole way up. Nice crap. Oh.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Gotta reel him up pretty slow here
since we're in about 42 feet of water. Not bad.
Freezing my hands off. Can't even feel the fingers on this hand.
Oh, are those rubber on that side?
Yeah.
I have those at work sometimes. Those things aren't very wet.
I know, I can't really wear big ones though.
No. There you go.
The last crappie of the day. Woo!
That's pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Can't really catch them much faster than that.
Nice one to end it on too.
Ooh, yeah, that is a nice one.
It's a nice crop.
They must have went over there in a portable and got some or something.
Nope, got it. Keep that one?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright guys, so me and Sam just got off the lake here. We got, quite a few crappies that we're going to get cleaned up. And then I'm going to take them home and I'll have a fish fry. So we're going to get to cleaning them up. Sounds good. Hey guys, so it's the next day now and we're going to have a little fish fry. So what we're going to be doing is I have this recipe that I actually saw on YouTube myself. I was watching the Googan Squad and AP Bassin, and I'll leave their channels below so you can check them out. But this is where I saw the recipe. So we're going to be doing Frank's Red Hot Wing Sauce, and then we're just going to be dipping it in some flour, and then later we're going to be making a little dipping sauce also with this and some sour cream. So let's get to it. Alright, we got some of the fish fried up here now, so we're going to dip it in some of the sauce and we're going to give it a little taste test. So I'm ready. Pretty good. What do you think of the sauce?
Very good. This is excellent. I want to double dip, but I don't think I should. But it's very good. The sauce is good. The fish is good. Good catch, Carl.
Yep, thank you. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video today. I sure had a lot of fun going out there and fishing with Sam and his brother. We really were on the fish out there. We were just catching them one after the other. And you know, I think a little note that we should touch on a little bit more is on how deep of water that we were fishing in. So we were in about 42 feet of water, and you know, that's really deep to be bringing fish up and down from. So when we were reeling them in, we made sure to, you know, carefully bring them in nice and slow, because we didn't want to blow their air sac. We didn't want their eyes to be popping out of their head, you know, because if they weren't keeper size, we wanted to be able to have a nice clean release on those fish. And I think we did a pretty good job of that. And then as well, the recipe that we used for the fish for cooking it up was awesome. My dad and I both really liked it, and I think that's going to be our go-to recipe from now on. So, as I said before, I will leave the channels down below on where I found the recipe. So until next time, guys, if you liked what you saw, click down here to subscribe, or click over here to watch the last video. Thanks for watching, guys.